Using Apple Pay when your iPhone's battery is depleted is actually possible, thanks to a feature called Power Reserve or Express Cards. Today I'm going to explain how this works. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that when your iPhone appears completely dead and won't turn on, it often still remains a small amount of backup power. This power is reserved for essential functions like Find My iPhone and crucially for Express cards in Apple Pay. So if you think your phone is truly dead, it might not be entirely so in terms of this specific capability. This power reserve allows you to use Apple Pay for a certain transaction even when your iPhone's battery has run out. Specifically, this feature is designed for express cards, typically transit cards like those for subways or buses, student ID cards, and some car keys, or access cards that you've added to your Apple Wallet and set to express mode. To use it, you simply need to hold your dead iPhone near a compatible contactless reader, just as you would with a live phone. For example, if you have an express transit card set up, you can tap your seemingly dead iPhone on the scanner at a subway gate, and it should still allow the transaction to go through. You won't see a visible notification on the screen, but you'll usually feel a haptic feedback to confirm the payment. This feature is incredibly useful for situations where your battery unexpectedly dies and you need to quickly make a payment for transit or access. It's a testament to Apple's design that they built in the last ditch functionality. That's pretty much it. That's how you can use Apple Pay even when your iPhone's battery is dead. I hope you found this helpful.